Okay, in this problem it says, what are the solutions to the quadratic x squared minus 5x equals negative 6? Now, again, there are a couple ways to do this. Again, solutions are the x values, but what I want to show you is how we can actually use this graphically, and then I'll show you how to do it the other way, okay? So, we are actually, it's graphically both ways, so I guess I shouldn't say that. So, we're going to add graphs, and then what I want to do is just graph the left side and the right side as two separate equations and find the intersections. And what I'm looking for again is the solutions, which are the x values. And we'll verify it by actually solving the quadratic by using the other tool. Okay, so here's what we do. We've got our equation, so we just type in x squared minus 5x. That's going to be our graph one, so let's just go ahead and enter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at where they cross. So we need our second graph, which is the left side, or the right side, which is negative 6. We go ahead and hit enter here, and notice that it crosses right here. So again, you might want to go to menu to zoom in to see it a little better. I mean, it's or do a zoom fit. It doesn't matter to me. I'm going to move this out of my way. I might do a better zoom because I don't like that. So let's go to Windows Zoom, and I actually will do a zoom box because I think the box probably will be the best piece I can look at. So I'm going to zoom right here, and I can see it a little better, but you know, I'm going to zoom in a little better here, and I can see here's the two crosses, okay? So we're good with that. Now all we have to do is find what our two little points are. So we're just looking for intersections right now. Lower bound, upper bound, that's the first intersection point. Looks like it's going to be a 2. We go down, there's a 2 there. Probably B, that's what we're going to go with. But let's go ahead and do our second one. We are going to, again, analyze the graph by doing an intersection, lower bound here. Remember, we're trying to find that point. We go above it, and we get our second one, which is 3. So 2, 3. B is the solution to this. Now, some of you might say, well, we haven't done that this way, and that's fine. And you might say, well, I do it another way, and the other way would be this way. We're still going to go to graphs, and we're going to graph this equation. We're going to move the plus 6 over here, or I'm sorry, the negative 6 over here, and to do that we have to change it to a plus 6. And so we've got x squared minus 5x, so that didn't change. And when we do move the negative 6 over at the top, it becomes a plus 6, and then we just graph that, enter. And so the roots of the solution are, truthfully, and I'm going to zoom in using the zoom box menu, window, and let's just do a zoom box. Since we used it last time, I'm just going to do the box here. And it's going to be right here and right here. And so what we need to do is find out what those 2 points are where it crosses the x-axis. And that's what truthfully it is. And let me hit escape. I just want to talk about that. The roots are the solutions, which are also the x-intercepts. And so these are the 2 x-intercepts. And to find those 2 x-intercepts, basically we just need to find a way. You can find a 0 too. The 0 is going to be between the 2 points. And notice there's the 2. And I'm sorry I didn't do a better explanation on that. You find the zeros here instead of finding the intercepts. It is an intercept, but we don't have that line drawn, and that's why you can't find it. So notice 2 is the answer. 2 is the only one up here. We know it's going to be B, but let's go back to menu, analyze graph, again 0. Here's the 0. We need to be on the left side, the lower bound, the upper bound, and it becomes 3. And the 2 numbers that we're looking for are 2 and 3. So that is answer B. Verifying what I did earlier, where I graphed the left side and the right side are exactly the same things. And if I needed to do it with 0, guess what? You could do it with 0. It doesn't matter.